Hey guys, welcome back to Paramtech channel. In this video, you can make a videos in shortcut video software. This is 100% free. You can download and work on it. First, you should make a project folder and save the project in local directory and drag your videos into the timeline. You can see the videos and there is an option to add video track. We can drag videos into the track and there is option to resize and zoom level to on the timeline, and there is I need to add one more video and drag the another video. This video is like kind of a background black color, so in this video I need to remove the black background color with help of blend mode. There is option to change the blend modes like screen something. I change the screen, so there is more options. You can see effects, so whatever you want you can make it. And I reduce the speed of increase the speed of the video. You can see the fog effects. Yeah, this fog effects come out nicely. And I added one more image in the same track. So I we can remove the ripple delete for the space. We can remove the space with help of ripple delete options, and we can give the effects between the images like transition effects. Yeah, you can see the transition effects. I drag into another image. I can remove the space. Just you can drag uh, between image. You can see that no, X mark. When you click on X mark, you can see the option. I mean, transition option. You can change whatever you want. There is more options. For resizing videos and images, you can click on filters. In that filter, you can click per second. When click on per second, there is option size and a position option. So just click on position. You can resize it whatever you want the video on timeline. I hope this video is very useful for you guys when you make videos on YouTube. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.